Hi guys! Okay, so for today's video, we're doing an acting challenge. Okay? So, nauuso ngayon sa TikTok is yung acting challenge. So, ang gagawin is supportive, disappointed, surprised, sarcastic, and angry. Okay. So, ang word na gagamitin ko is talaga. Okay? So, okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Supportive. Talaga? Okay yun Parang maganda yung pagkaka-acting natin doon Okay. Okay. So, next. Disappointed. Talaga? Ay, perfect! Tsari. Parang pag-artista na to. Surprise. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Talaga? Okay. 'Di ba? Talagang level 10 ng acting natin dito. Sarcastic. Talaga? Kita niyo 'yun? Yung parang masaya ka na parang hindi ka masaya. So, sarcastic talaga siya. Okay, angry. Angry. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Talaga? Ah, perfect! Charing. Okay, so, thank you so much. Bye!